Hello everyone, welcome back to Lunch Tech Bites. My name is Amelia and this is your daily feed for tech. Open up a Canvas page where you would like to use the code. Edit the page, select HTML editor, and paste the code. Now you can see that I have added a marker to indicate where the HTML code will go. This is the picture that I had saved and shared. I'm going to select the picture, select the ellipsis icon for more options, open in a new window, select the ellipsis icon for more options, and then embed code. This is the embed code iframe that you will have to place. Copy the embed code and in your Canvas page, place it where I have provided a marker for you to paste that code. And paste the information where I have provided a small clue template of where to paste the text. Control V to paste or right click and paste. Return to the Rich Content Editor. And now you will need to format this text for accessibility. Correct use of headers and paragraph elements are good examples of things that you really should do, from beyond text and links to page layout and accessibility. Don't forget to register for the upcoming EdTech workshop, fully online, anytime, anywhere.